Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I just want to start off by saying a big thank you for all the subscribers who've been subscribing to me. It means a lot to me and I'm so happy that lots of people are commenting nice comments. Obviously there are some haters who hate me, but you know, haters will hate. But I just want to say thank you for all the support and the lovely comments all the people have given me. It shows me how much I'm loved and how everyone is just open-minded with the fact that I'm gay and I'm Muslim. So yeah, I just want to start off with saying a big thank you to everyone who's subscribing and leaving me beautiful comments. Thank you so much, it means a lot. In this video, I'm going to talk about house moving and moving on. Me and my partner has been looking for a property to move for about 6 months now. On and off 6 months, I would say. We've been looking everywhere to move and we just really want a bigger place. And well, Sean wanted a garden because he always had a thing about garden and nature, and he wanted a garden and I wanted a bigger place. And so we moved in this property about 3 years ago and we just thought now's the time to move. I'm starting university and Sean's going to full-time work and he's also going to college as well. Don't know how he's going to balance that because I can't do that. But he's managing somehow. But yeah, so we thought now's the perfect time to actually move. And like I mentioned, we've been living in this apartment for 3 years now. As soon as we got married, this is where we moved in, and it's been amazing to us, this apartment. We're really grateful for having this apartment and we've got so much memories and we are going to miss this apartment a lot, but it's just the time to move out and find a better place and make more memories in a new, bigger place. We are moving to a house, so this will be our first house together, mine and Sean's. And it is scary and it's a bit anxious, but we'll make it work because as long as we have each other, we always make things work. It's always difficult in the beginning, but it always works out because you've got to have positive thinking and have hope that everything will work out. I'll just show you what we have done for this apartment and what we packed and how our apartment looks like now that everything's more or less empty and all in this. We start with the front door. We come in this front door, we have a hallway, and this is where we hang our keys usually, and inside there this covers all our shoes. And yeah, as you can see, it looks completely empty. Everything's empty. What is that smudge in my camera? It's my camera, isn't it? The big smudge right there and there. I don't know, it's probably something on my camera. So yeah, this is it. As you can see, it looks completely empty. And this is where we've been spending 3 years. This is the master bedroom. This is where we had the bed and everything, and the cupboards and everything. As you can see, loads of things are packed in boxes. These boxes I did not buy. I went to a local shop, say like Aldi or Lidl or even Asda, and I went in there and asked them, do you have any empty boxes? And these are all the boxes they gave us. There's like loads, and that was more than enough than we needed to pack everything. So yeah, some of them's got the living room stuff, the bedroom stuff, the hallway, the second bedroom, the kitchen, the living room, and just all bits and pieces, the frames, carpets, even a Christmas tree. So yeah, you can see everything's in this room. Our whole 3 years of life all packed in. Some of the stuff we have sold and we have donated, and some of them we threw away as well because we thought if we're going to have a new house, we should start with new stuff and fresh stuff. Some we did keep, like obviously bed and the dresses and the wardrobe and stuff. We are going to keep because they're like the major stuff. But stuff like old sofas and stuff like that, we donated to charity. We sold some of them, and yeah. So this is everything in this room. In here is the coat closet. All the coats are everything in here. just quickly show you. We kept all the coats and everything there, the electrical stuff there. And as I mentioned, this is where we kept the shoes. Just a small little area where we kept all the shoes. So more shoe smell, more locations. This is a shower room. With a little walk-in shower. As you can see, it's empty. We had a nice, lovely glitter mirror there, but we took that off and everything. And walking down the hallway, we have the toilet. There's a separate toilet to the shower room. That's one thing I hated in this flat. That's a separate thing. And there's no windows, so that really like grossed me out. There's no window in the toilet. Don't like it. In here is where we're keeping our clothes for now. The little closet thing we have, because I took the wardrobe apart, so we're keeping our clothes in there for now. And when we do move out, that's the last thing we'll take before we move out. This is the second bedroom. We didn't use it as a bedroom, we used it as a ooh, hear the echo. We used it as a computer room, and all our computer stuff and everything was on here. And yeah, we had some photos up there and teddy bears all over here. And that is a walk-in wardrobe, well, built-in wardrobe in here that we use as well. So yeah, again, this room is empty. That's where the boiler is. That's another closet. And this is our kitchen. The dining table was here, and we did throw the cooker away because that was no good, so we're using the little stuff thing my mom gave, the electric thing. So yeah, this was our kitchen. We are taking a fridge freezer, the microwave and stuff, and some of them are already packed. We're taking the washing machine. So yeah, this was our kitchen. This is the main living room where me and Sean used to hang out most of the time. So hi babe.
Hi.
And this is where we're sleeping now because I took the bed apart, so we're sleeping here now. And this was the living room. The TV, we're taking that with us obviously. And so yeah, this is literally the one living room we have. This is where we'll be sleeping. Bit of junk there. Wallpaper. Love this wallpaper. It's like this crushed velvet effect. And we're throwing the sofa away as well because I'm getting new sofas. And yep, we had a nice fireplace as well, which is lovely. And that's our balcony outside. We do have an amazing view outside. You can see the whole of Warsaw and more, whatever's down there. At night time it's beautiful. When all the lights come on, it's absolutely gorgeous. We are going to miss the view. Clouds are grey, so we might piss down. But yeah, our view is beautiful in the balcony. The balcony is quite small, as you can see. It's tiny. And we put Diego outside when he needs to go to the toilet or he wants to stay outside. That's his little house there. And yeah, so that's the little balcony. So Diego's gonna get a bigger garden. So hope he appreciates that, don't you, Dee? Dee? Oh, there he is. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, boobies. Don't worry, he will not jump out from there. He's not that stupid. Hi, baby.
You can't just waltz in here and peg your
What? What? Yeah, you are beautiful. Yeah, you are beautiful. I'll let you in a second. So yeah, that was a little balcony with Diego spent. He's only tiny, so the balcony's massive, but he'll have a massive garden soon. So yeah, that's more or less our living room. As you can see, it's completely empty. No clocks on the wall, no frames hanging. More or less empty. Don't know whether we should take him with us as well or leave him here.
I see heaps of stars.
So yeah, that's just our apartment. As you can see, it's mostly empty and everything's packed, and I will be doing a video of showing you our new house, our new property, and how it looks like now. And yes, there's going to be a lot of decoration to be done and lots of interior designs and new frames and mirrors and stuff like that needs to be done, which I will be doing in a different video. And yeah, just exciting to move into our new property. We do sign the tenancy tomorrow, and yeah, that means it's officially ours after we sign the papers tomorrow. We'll start moving some of the things in. The moving van's gonna come and start moving the larger items. And yeah, just exciting to see the new property. And yeah, just follow this journey of house moving. Exciting.